In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Harvest. Whether you're billing for a single project or a month's worth of time and expenses, I'll walk you through the essentials so your invoice is accurate, professional, and ready to send. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll feel confident creating and emailing an invoice straight from your Harvest account. First, log into your Harvest account. If you use security features like two-factor authentication, complete that step and make sure you're in the correct account if you manage multiple organizations. Once you're in, head to the top navigation and click Invoices. This is your hub for drafts, sent invoices, and reports. From here, click New Invoice to start a fresh one. You'll see Harvest guide you through a few choices that determine what data flows into the invoice. Begin by selecting the client. Choose the exact client you're billing so their details, currency, and any saved settings are applied correctly. Next, choose whether you're invoicing a project or invoicing based on time and expenses. If you pick project, you're creating a more free-form invoice associated with that project. If you pick time and expenses, Harvest can pull in your tracked billable hours and reimbursable costs automatically, which is great for accuracy and consistency. Now select the date range. Set the start and end dates to match the period you want to bill for, such as the last month or the current sprint. This ensures only the work within that window appears. Take a moment to check that you're capturing the right entries and that nothing outside the range is included. With the draft built, review the invoice details and totals carefully. Confirm the client information, project association, billing rates, taxes, and currency. Look at subtotals, discounts if you use them, and the final amount due. Accuracy here saves back and forth later and helps invoices get paid faster. If anything needs refining, add or edit line items. You can adjust descriptions to be clearer, group time entries in a way your client expects, update quantities or rates if permitted, and include notes that explain the work delivered. Keep your language concise but descriptive so your client immediately understands the value. When everything looks good, click Save Invoice. This saves a draft so you have a clean record and a final chance to review formatting and totals. When you're ready, click Send Invoice to email it to the client. You can personalize the message, confirm the recipient's address, and include any helpful context so payment is simple. And that's how you create an invoice in Harvest, quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.